Welcome to this short video on installing Konveyor AI on Visual Studio Code. First, we browse on to the editor extensions GitHub page. Then we download the vscode file. Usually the vscode file has the extension code. Since we haven't released this yet, it's a preview feature. You should be able to get this and install it from the menu. Select your right file, install it. You will see the Konveyor AI extension and the different commands that it actually offers. Press Command Shift P and we can go into the walkthrough. It's a nice walkthrough that goes through the analyzer binaries. You can set up custom rules. You can set up targets. Like in my case, I set targets here for Quarkus and Quarkus 3. Plus, I also want Jakarta E API. So I select the Jakarta E API as well. This helps the analyzer to know what kind of target that I want to have for my Java E migration. Next, I want to set up the Gen AI key. So I set up my Gen AI using OpenAI. You can use any other model as you wish to, but in my case, I just choose OpenAI for the matter of simplicity. Check out the page for the LLM selection in the blog post and you'll see more details on which LLMs are supported. Next, what we want to do is start up the RPC server in the backend that communicates with the large language model, in my case, obviously OpenAI, and it starts to spin up and connect with the RPC backend, check the status and connect with the large language model. Once it's done, you see the green light, move on to running the analysis. This is the static code analysis that we would run. Once that starts running, you would get some results and the results would be around exactly what we want. So for example, message-driven beans do not exist in Quarkus. So this is what the analyzer is telling you. Now we could resolve these incidents by going into the large language model section where we will ask the large language model to resolve this. We give it the context. The context comes back from the large language model with some reasoning, what it needs to do, some additional information on what POM file changes and dependencies it would need. And finally, we can also view the file. So by viewing the file, we can check, okay, on the left is the original, on the right is the actual file. And here's a short tutorial. Hope this helps you installing Konveyor AI, and don't forget to engage in the community on Slack.